When Fidel Castro took control of Cuba, many Cubans left and went to the United States. Is when Fidel Castro took control of Cuba the cause or the effect? Let's answer this question using the what-why method. With this method, we ask ourselves, what happened in this sentence and why did it happen? The main takeaway in this sentence is many Cubans left and went to the United States. This is our what. Why did this happen? Because Fidel Castro took control over Cuba. This is our why. Now that we've established our what and our why, we can use the rule that the what is the effect and the why is the cause. We have already established that when Fidel Castro took control of Cuba is our why, and therefore it is our cause. Therefore we can say that the answer to our question is A, cause or situation.